Discover 15 essential woodworking tools under $30 on Amazon that every DIYer and woodworker should own. These budget-friendly tools deliver excellent performance without breaking the bank, making them perfect for beginners and pros alike. From precision measuring gadgets to handy clamps and versatile cutting tools, this list helps you upgrade your workshop affordably and effectively. NECAMOCU Mini Edge Band Trimmer. The NECAMOCU Mini Edge Band Trimmer, priced at $7.99, is a must-have woodworking tool designed for precision, durability, and ease of use. Featuring upgraded thicker blades, robust screws, and a smooth cutting design, it ensures clean, professional results every time. Built with high-quality 420 stainless steel blades and a sturdy phenolic base with a non-slip grip, this tool is both long-lasting and comfortable to handle. Its V-shaped double-sided blades enhance safety and extend lifespan. Perfect for trimming plywood, melamine, laminate, PVC, ABS, and veneer. It's ideal for cabinets, countertops, and DIY projects. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's built for dependable performance. Feekoon 13 FT Belt Band Strap Clamps. The Feekoon 13 FT Belt Band strap clamps, priced at $21.99, are a must-have for woodworking and DIY projects. This set includes 2 adjustable band clamps, perfect for securing large frames, one for the top and one for the bottom. Featuring 13-foot thickened nylon straps with 4 corner braces, they can adjust from 35 degrees to 305 degrees, making them ideal for square, round, rectangular, or uniquely shaped items. The non-slip TRP handle provides comfort, control, and stability during assembly. Perfect for gluing or screwing, these versatile clamps are essential for picture frames, cabinets, drawers, barrels, and countless woodworking applications. POLIWELL 5-inch 8-hole interface pad. The POLIWELL 5-inch 8-hole interface pad, priced at $9.90, is designed for efficiency, durability, and professional results. With a 5-inch diameter and 8-hole dust extraction design, it prevents clogging, ensuring smoother sanding and longer tool life. Featuring a hook and loop system, one side securely attaches to sanding discs, while the other connects to sanding pads for quick, hassle-free replacements. Made of soft sponge, it adapts to contours and edges, making it ideal for polishing uneven surfaces like wooden bowls while protecting your backing pad. Each package includes 2 pads, and POLIWELL guarantees customer satisfaction with reliable support and quality performance. Premium Woodworking Square Ruler. The Premium Woodworking Square Ruler, priced at $14.99, is a versatile tool designed for precision and convenience. Offering accurate angle measurements from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. It's perfect for woodworkers, engineers, and builders who demand reliability. Featuring laser-etched scale lines, it delivers clear, wear-resistant markings for long-lasting accuracy in every cut and scribe. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, this ruler is polished for a smooth, durable finish that ensures safe daily use. Compact and portable, it includes angle pins and an Allen wrench for easy setup. Ideal for framing, detailing, and multi-dimensional projects, it's a must-have addition to any toolkit. TBVHOMM Pocket Hole Jig System Kit. The TBVHOMM Pocket Hole Jig System Kit, priced at $19.99, is a complete woodworking solution designed for precision and convenience. This all-in-one kit includes an adjustable pocket hole jig, an 11-inch C-clamp, step drill bit, stop collar, hex key, square driver, and 20 screws, all neatly stored in a portable case. Built with high-strength nylon and a hardened steel core, it ensures durability and reliable accuracy. Featuring double-chip discharge holes for smoother drilling and a 9-position adjustable slider plate, it adapts easily to different wood sizes. Strong magnets secure the clamp firmly, making setup simple and stable for professional results. Seika Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler. The Seika Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler, priced at $26.99, is a multifunctional T-square ruler that combines a ruler and protractor for precision work. Measuring up to 48 centimeters, 18 inches, it's ideal for marking straight lines, measuring angles, or setting bevels with ease. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring long-lasting use without deformation. The laser-engraved scales provide clear, accurate readings in any environment. With its adjustable angle finder and included red mechanical pencil with 8 refills, this tool is perfect for craftsmen, woodworkers, designers, and engineers who value accuracy, versatility, and efficiency in every project. LEILUO 134-piece multi-tool blade kit. The LEILUO 134-piece multi-tool blade kit is a versatile solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring CRV Japanese tooth blades for precise wood and drywall cutting, bimetal and titanium plated blades for nails and soft metals, and semicircular blades for enhanced stability. This kit covers every cutting need. It also includes a hook knife for shingles and carpets, scrapers for residue removal, and grinding accessories for polishing and repairs. All blades are neatly stored in a portable bag, saving toolbox space. With universal compatibility across most quick release and non-quick release systems, it delivers excellent value at $27.99. Goldblatt Trim Puller. The Goldblatt Trim Puller, priced at $16.87, is a revolutionary tool designed to remove trim, baseboards, cabinets, flooring, and more without damaging walls or surfaces. Crafted from durable carbon steel and 65 MN steel with a corrosion-resistant polished finish, this tool delivers superior strength and longevity. Its wider, flatter contact area and patented 15-degree wedged center ensure efficient removal while minimizing effort. The built-in spring design speeds up separation, making it perfect for both professional remodels and DIY projects. An ergonomic impact-absorbing handle ensures comfort during extended use. Whether tackling delicate tile or heavy trim, this trim puller offers precision and durability. WORKPRO Bar Clamps 6-pack. The WORKPRO Bar Clamps 6-pack is a versatile and reliable set designed for woodworking, household repairs, and construction projects. Built with a reinforced nylon body and hardened steel bars, these clamps deliver durability and impact resistance for heavy-duty use. Featuring a quick change button, they easily convert from clamps to spreaders, making them highly functional. With up to 150 pounds of clamping force, a ratcheting mechanism, and non-marring pads, they ensure strong, secure holds without damaging surfaces. Ergonomic handles and quick release latches enhance comfort and efficiency. This set includes 4 6-inch clamps and 2 12-inch clamps for a wide range of tasks. 10-piece Carbide Burr Set. The 10-piece Carbide Burr Set, priced at $8.99, is a must-have for precision cutting, grinding, carving, engraving, and deburring. Made from durable double-cut tungsten carbide, these burr bits are more aggressive than diamond or stone grinding bits, ensuring faster material removal. With a 3mm cylindrical shank, compatible with Dremel 1/8" tools, they fit perfectly with rotary tools, drills, and die grinders from brands like HARDELL, Milwaukee, and DeWalt. Ideal for working on hard metals, steel, aluminum, wood, plastic, and stone. This versatile kit excels in tight spaces where wheels and discs can't reach. Backed by a 6-year returnless replacement guarantee. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig, priced at $26.90, is a must-have accessory for woodworkers who need consistent, precise, thin strip cuts. Designed for table saws, band saws, and router tables, it fits common T-slot and U-slot tracks and extends up to 8 inches from the blade. With laser-engraved millimeter and inch scales, this jig ensures accuracy and repeatability, allowing strips as thin as 1/32 inch. Its one-way roller bearing guarantees smooth forward movement while preventing kickback, making cutting safer and faster. Built from high-quality, durable metal, the GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig delivers long-lasting performance for safe, efficient, and precise woodworking projects. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a compact yet powerful solution for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and pet owners alike. Featuring dual collet sizes, 3.2mm built-in and 2.3mm replacement, it works seamlessly with most major brand accessories. Its quiet yet efficient 4V motor offers 5 adjustable speeds, 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, making it ideal for engraving, polishing, grinding, or even trimming pet nails. Equipped with 35 versatile accessories, LED ring lighting, a snap-on safety shield, and a long-lasting 2000 mAh battery with USB-C charging, this lightweight 0.5 2-pound tool ensures comfort, precision, and portability for all your creative and repair projects. Milescraft 1312 Drill Block. The Milescraft 1312 drill block, priced at $7.98, is a must-have for precise drilling in woodworking, home improvement, and carpentry projects. Featuring hardened steel guides in 6 sizes: 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch. It ensures accuracy for every task. Built-in vertical and horizontal centerlines make alignment simple, while non-slip feet keep the block secure without damaging surfaces. A built-in V-groove allows drilling on round stock or corners with ease. Compact, sturdy, and user-friendly, this premium Milescraft tool is the perfect toolbox addition for anyone seeking durability, accuracy, and professional quality results in their drilling projects.